Hey guys, JP here from Limitless Bros, and today we'll be dealing with molar concept and molar masses. So now in this session we'll be dealing with mole concept. Now what is a mole? One mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are exactly in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Now what it emphasizes is that any substance, let it be any substance, it will have the same number of entities or particles. Now we will be taking 12 grams per mole of carbon 12 isotope, and we'll be dividing this with the mass of carbon 12, which is 1.992648 into 10 to the power of minus 23 atoms per mole. Now dividing these, we get a value that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per mole. Now this 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per mole is given a specific name known as Avogadro's constant. Now this Avogadro's constant and this name Avogadro's was given in the honor of Amedeo Avogadro, and this Avogadro's constant is denoted by N subscript A. Now this value, the Avogadro constant, that is the value 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, is the number of atoms in 1 mole of any substance. Now let us take a few examples here. We'll take one mole of H2 will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per mole. Again, taking another example, one mole of NaCl will again have 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 units of NaCl. Now from all of this, we derive that the mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams, it's denoted by molar mass. So the mass of 1 mole of substance in grams is molar mass. Now again, let's take an example. Let us take an example of water molecule. Now water molecule, which is denoted as H2O. Now to find the molar mass of water molecule, we have to take the mass of hydrogen, which is 1, and we'll multiply it with the number of atoms of hydrogen, which is 2, and add it with the mass of oxygen, which we get as 18 grams per mole. Again, taking another example, sodium chloride. We take the atomic number or the mass of sodium, that is 23, plus chlorine 35.5, we get it as 58.5 grams per mole. So this was all about mole concept and molar mass. So hope you guys understood everything. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye bye.